Yes, sir. Yo, yo. Yep. Yo. Yo. Uh-oh, what's up with my mic? Yes, sir. There we go. Yes, sir. Is that a glare? They got me glared up in this thing. All right, man, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Round two. Round two. Let me put this phone on do not disturb. All right, let's go, man. Let's let some people get up in here. But I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the number one rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. We are also nationwide. So if you're looking for a free consultation, go ahead and DM me the word King. Um, Earlier, we got about 35 DMs earlier. Had to respond to everybody. Damn, I'm messing up, man. So everybody should have their information to go ahead and set up. He said, Cap, bug out shop. We got our first hater, y'all. Yeah. Let's go. We got our first hater. That was quick. We got our first hater. Y'all say what's up to Bug Out Shop. Y'all say, hey, give the hater some claps, y'all. Put some clap emojis in the chat. Hey, put some clap emojis in the chat for my hater. Let's go. Welcome, welcome. All right, man. Let's get down to it though. I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Literally come on here just to answer people's credit questions. All right. There's no such thing as a dumb credit question. You know, we all started from somewhere, so you can drop it in the chat and it will get answered. As you can see, no negativity will be allowed. This dude's about to get blocked. But yeah, that's how we treat haters up in here. All right, because people come here actually really trying to learn, really trying to ask their credit questions, really trying to get help. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Jose, what's good? Octavia, what's up? Lady Mimi, what's up? Benji, what's good? Oh man. I love a hater, man. Hey, the haters keep you young. The haters keep you young and sharp. WTW. I'm not sure what that means. Sammy, it's in collections. Do I wait for it to fall off or pay? Sammy, you can dispute that collection. Okay, Sammy, you can dispute that collection. If you want to do it yourself, I got free guides for you. Just hit the link in the bio, get the how-to guides, download that it's a collection guide, right? There's one for collections in there. It's literally step by step. But if you want us to do it, go ahead and DM me the word King. All right, Aubrey. Hey, I'm new in the building. Hey, Aubrey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let me see. I'm new at building my credit. Okay, if you're new, okay, that's cool. How many open accounts do you have, Aubrey? No space for haters. Facts. Sammy, hold on. Let me try to respond to you, Sammy. Let me see. Reply. Here, hold on. Um, TikTok to 844-689-01. Yeah, Sammy, I just answered for you, bro. Or I don't know if you're a guy or a female, but yeah, I just answered you. Al, how do you process the 1099-C for debt cancellation? So, did you already receive a 1099-C form? L, did you already receive that? The king has spoken. What's up, John? I've had both collections stating that the reported debt is accurate. What now? Nico, how'd you dispute, Nico? How'd you dispute those collections, bro? Aubrey, one account. Okay. So you got one open account. That's actually good. If you don't have any, negatives, charge-offs, collections, late payments, nothing like that. Now it's just adding positive accounts, which is actually kind of fun. All right. So hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got a step-by-step guide for you. It's just a Google Doc. So you can go run that up. You can go run that up. YouTube, what's up, man? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, what's good? What's good? I dropped the gem and King ignored it. What'd you say? I didn't even see it. Can you fill me in on the complaints? Are they under a lawsuit? The complaints. No, your complaints aren't under a lawsuit. The complaints are just with the CFPB Attorney General's office. Yeah, we didn't send your stuff to an attorney. I don't think so, Vance. Um, but you should ask Anna though. You should ask the team because, bro, I deal with. You already know what I be on, bro. I'm I'm dealing with hella people every single day. So, your specific account, I'm really not sure. So you should ask. Yeah, reach out to customer service. Anna will be able to help you out. Cordero, hey, I just signed up for everything. I got a call appointment tomorrow. Cordero, let's go. Started out with Capital One. Nice, nice. Okay, Aubrey. So, um, was it a unsecured card or secured card, Aubrey? What is the best credit score to buy a house? My credit score is 697 at the moment. Yeah, Nish, if you want to do a FHA, you can do that. You saw you need is a 580 or above, 3.5% down. You're good to go. All right. So, and there's state specific, grant programs, down system programs, county specific, down payment assistance programs too. So, yeah, if you got a 697 FICO, you should be good to go. Okay, so L, the original creditor sent you a 1099-C form already. So they discharged it correctly. So now you can still dispute that charge off though, right? You can still dispute it. Okay, because we're disputing accuracy. We're not disputing ownership. You know what I'm saying? So you still go on that account. We're still going to find the inaccuracy. We're still going to dispute. All right, L. So if you need those step by steps, bro, just hit the link in the bio. Get the how-to guides. They're free. I use the one for charge offs and get to work. That video you just did when you do monthly update and they got 20 new inquiries got me laughing. Hey, bro, it happens at least once a day. It happens once a day. I just closed my Indigo and Mission Lane today. Damn. He said, fresh cut. Yes, sir. I had someone, the team dispute them for me for months now. Same result. Nico, let me see. Yeah, so Nico, I'm not sure who you were working with. But you should be able to communicate with whoever was doing your credit. You know what I'm saying? So reach out to them and ask them what's going on. What does it mean when the credit bureau delete a note on your file after you dispute? Yeah, they just remove the remarks. That's it. 3,500 a month income, $600 debt, score 780, 10K down payment. Nice. Cool. That was like more of a statement. That wasn't really a question, but I feel you though. Let's go. My credit is 720. Nice. You guys, this stuff behind me, these are all just client results. I'll switch this up throughout the live towards the end. But yeah, it's all client results. This guy started in the 500s. He worked with Lexington Law for 2 years. Nothing happened. And then he sent some money via Cash App to this guy on Instagram. Never send your money Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, Stripe when you're doing for credit repair services. All right. You don't want to do that. Okay. But and long story short, though, he sent the guy like 2,500 over 2 months. and the guy did nothing for him. So this was his last go around. He signed up for us. We got that bankruptcy removed, a couple charge offs, some inquiries, and yeah, graduated. Took about 5 to 6 months. Miles, is 6 months of credit history enough for the city custom cash? Yeah, you should be able to get a city. You should be able to get a city. But Miles, how many open accounts do you have, bro? What's the best way to clean up your credit? I need help. Melissa Espinoza, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Schedule a free consultation. But if you want to do it yourself, you can. I got all the tools you need. Just hit the link in the bio, get the King Credit Bundle, and get to work. But the first couple steps are always the same. Got to get your credit report. Okay, then we're finding inaccuracies. Right. If you don't know how to do that, I got videos on the guides that show you how to do it. Finding inaccuracies, then we're updating our personal info. We're calling to do that. We're disputing inquiries not attached to open accounts. We're also calling to do that too. And then we're opting out of secondary bureaus. Then we're ready to dispute. You know what I'm saying? So those 5 first steps are always kind of the same, no matter if you're disputing charge-offs, collections, late payments, whatever you're disputing. Those 5 steps are pretty much the same. Then after that 5th step, depending on the account, the way you dispute changes. So just depends on what type of account you have. Mustafa, yeah, you said a question mark, bro. You just said down payment. What'd you say? 3,500 monthly income, $600 debt, score, 10K down payment. Yeah, Mustafa, I'm not sure what you're asking, bro. You didn't ask me a question. That was a statement. You didn't ask me anything. Christina, how much increase can I expect by paying down my credit card? Depends on how high. What's your utilization at, Christina? So I'll reach out. Let's go. How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Kenya. Oh, let me check Instagram real quick. Sorry. My bad, y'all. My fault. Bland Nation, what's up? I've tried a few times and got no reply for days. I had one phone call and they didn't know how to answer my question. Phone call with who? On Instagram. Who? Hold on. Can I can't respond to their comments on Instagram? Yeah, because you said you tried a few times and got no reply. That doesn't make sense. Because if you because all you have to do is click the link and schedule a consultation. Right. So I'm not sure what company you were trying to get a hold. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, bro. It doesn't make sense. If Mitchell or Vincent, if they didn't know the answer to a question, which is super rare, they should know the answer to everything. If not, they will escalate it to V, and if V doesn't know the answer, she'll escalate it to me. So that's how I know that something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right, bro. That don't make sense. All right, let's go. Kenya, I need help, please. I don't have time to do it. Yeah, perfect. Let's work. DM me the word king. Okay, shoot me a DM. I have 3 open: Discover It, Saver, and Freedom Flex. Nice. Okay. Yeah. So Miles, so you got revolving credit already. Now it's time to add like an installment type loan, right? So um Kovo's an easy one. You can do rent reporters to add some more age to that credit report. So Miles, just hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts, grab that Kovo and grab that rent reporters. That's going to really help you out because you said 6 months of age, right? So that rent report is going to backdate 2 years, right? So that's going to give you some more credit age. If you have 7 accounts closed, 0 open account, is that a good thing? Gold Glamour. So you definitely want to add some. You need some positive accounts, right? So there's nothing positive to report right now. So Gold Glamour, same thing for you. Hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Go ahead and get. I got a step-by-step guide on there too. It's just a Google Doc. All right, let's go. Let's go. Melissa, what about student loans? Yeah, we can dispute student loans as long as they're closed, right? Closed, discharged, transferred, dismissed. We can dispute those. We're not disputing your open student loans. 18% total. Um, I mean, yeah, if you paid your utilization down from 18 to 1%, you'll see a nice little boost, but not, it won't be like 100 points or nothing, but it'd be a nice little boost. Mustafa, you keep sending question marks, bro. You didn't say anything. You said 10K down payment. What does that mean? Charlie Brown, what should I do now that I have both scores and Credit Karma? I mean, what do you want to do? Like, what do you mean? What should you do, Charlie? How many open accounts do you have? American Express. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, American Express. How do I answer that? That's not a question. Cordero, do I need to stay with Score IQ while y'all work on, or can I cancel my subscription? Yeah, you need to stay with my Score IQ, right? So that's how we send you an update each month, right? We need to refresh your report, update your report, and send you that update. Okay, I just DM'd you. Okay, how do you keep your score high after paying off all your debt? Tracy, what do you mean paying off all your debt? So your revolving credit, those are open. So when you pay that balance down, that's actually going to help you out. Okay, so what type of debt you talking about? Morgan, I never look into these things, but I guess TikTok heard me saying I need help with my repo. Morgan, let's work. Let's work. Y'all got repos. Let's work, man. Go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Let's work. I got a Captain One, a Capital One. Okay, Capital One business credit card. Is that going towards my business credit or personal credit? Young Bull, which Capital One card is it? What's the name of it? Kobe, what's the app? Which app you talking about, bro? What should I do if my credit cards got closed? If they're just closed and they're not charged off, you have a chance to bring those balances down to zero. That's what I would do. Because if not, they're going to turn the charge offs. It's going to hurt your credit more. Those charge offs are going to get sold or transferred to a collection agency, and it's going to hurt your credit again. So, um, yeah, if they're just closed, pay the balances, and then they're just closed credit cards, and then you can always add some more accounts. Okay. American Express, it won't let me finish my sentence. Yeah, I'm not sure why either. But American Express, it won't. Okay, let me go back up. Yeah, there's no other question from me, bro. Is it bad if my Equifax is higher than my TransUnion? No, it's not bad. You guys, and another thing, these are just client results, y'all. Okay, so Credit Karma, Identity IQ, Smart Credit, Credit Wise, Credit Sesame, they all use that Vantage score. All right, so when you're using these third-party credit monitoring apps, you should only be using it for the accounts and activity. Okay, you shouldn't be using it for the score because it's not a FICO score. All right, so it's a Vantage score. Let me check Instagram again. Oh, he said I'm already with you guys. I have been for about 4 months. All right, then wait. Got no reply for days. Yeah, bro. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's not even possible. Um, yeah, just send me a DM on here then. Send me a DM on Instagram, and we'll get this figured out. Yeah, that doesn't even honestly that doesn't really make sense. But all right, how you close accounts? Pay the balances down, call them up, and close them. Simple. How can I boost my credit? Nicole Jackson. So if you're just talking about your score, it's easy. Just pay your balances down. Your score will go up. All right. Now, if you got, negatives, you got charge offs, collections, late payments, repos, and all that, while you pay your balances down, you're going to have to dispute that negative information off your credit report too. So it just depends right? Everything is always depends on your what's reporting on your credit report. Spark Capital One. So Young Bull, that is a business credit card, but it reports to your personal. All right. So yeah, they don't disclose that. They just let people get that damn Spark card, bro. They almost got me a couple years ago too. Yes, sir. I want to buy a house. Mustafa. So yeah, you said 10K down, 760 FICO score. Yeah, you ready to go? Contact a lender in your area and get to work. And you can even use your bank, whoever you're banking with. Thank you. That can I have a business credit card that I can run my credit. Miles, I already answered your question, bro. I told you to hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts, right? Go grab that Kovo and grab that rent reporters. Okay. Kovo is going to help your credit mix, and that rent reporters is going to give you some more age. Okay. Once those report, then you can go get that city credit card you were talking about earlier. Tracy, credit card, car loan, and personal loan. Let me scroll back up. How do you keep your credit score high after paying? Okay, hold on. Okay, you paid off. Okay. So the credit card was good. That's good. So you got that utilization down. Now your car loan and personal loan, those are their loans. Okay. So it's okay that you paid them off, but when you pay off loans or anytime you close an account, your score is going to drop a little bit because you lost the age associated with those accounts. Right? It's okay though. Loans are made to be paid off. It's okay. So Tracy, to kind of counteract it, you can add an authorized user. Right? Reach out to a friend or family member and go ahead and try to get added to one of their accounts. And when you're adding authorized users, you always want to get an account. Age is more important than the limit. Okay, because age is harder to come by. All right, you know how hard it is to find a 10-year, 15-year, 20-year age primary account. You know what I'm saying? With no lates on it. How many years will late mortgage payment stay on credit? Last one was in 2019. It's going to stay on there. Yeah, that late payment is going to stay on there. You can dispute that late payment though. If you need the step-by-step guide for the late payments, just hit the link in the bio, grab that King Credit bundle. It got your step-by-step guide, it got your letters and everything to go with it. Yeah, you can get to work. But 2019, that was 5 years ago. So you've kind of bounced back from that one late payment though. All right. How long does FICO take to update? Every 30 days. Still things on credit 7 years old. Yeah, that's not good. So they don't tell you that, right? I've seen accounts with 15-year-old charge offs on there, 18-year-old collections. You know what I'm saying? So you still might have to dispute that old information. Gonzalez, how do you feel about Chime online banking? Yeah, Chime is cool, but so Chime got really big during the pandemic. A lot of the scammers and shit were using Chime. So Chime has a really bad like cloud over it now, right? So people with Chime debit cards, when they go try to buy something, sometimes they count it as a prepaid card, low key. So yeah, Chime, this is a bad look. But if that's all you can get right now, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. Kiara, thanks for the follow. Let's go. Was struggling, but have been 100 since 5 years. Okay, cool. Let's go. Yo, I got a 770. What's the move? No history though. Yeah, Gemini John. How many open accounts you got, bro? They didn't believe in us. God did. ah, let's go. I had late mortgage payments in 2019. Okay. How long will it stay on my credit? I already answered that. So for the next 7 years, you're going to see it, but you can dispute that late payment though. Are they free? I don't want useless debit. Useless debt. What do you mean useless debt? So Miles, adding positive primary accounts is never useless, bro. Never useless. So rent reporters is going to backdate 2 years. So you're going to add a 2-year primary account. Weren't you talking about you needed some age? So how could that be useless? Come on now. 7 years for the late payment. Facts. Is Credit Karma an accurate reading? Danielle, so the accounts on Credit Karma, the activity, you can use that. But the score, it says it right there. It's a Vantage score. So it's not a FICO score. That doesn't mean it's wrong or inaccurate. It's just a different credit score. Yeah, that's all. All right. So if you're using Credit Karma, just be mindful of that. All right, just be mindful. Thanks, Morgan. Is Credit Karma an accurate FICO reading? No. Just answer that. They didn't believe us. King did. Let's go. Yeah, no, it's really good for keeping up with accounts, though. Yeah. Can repos be removed? Hell yeah. Let me see if I can find some repo stuff in here. Hey, bro, I have a question. Chef Muhammad, drop it in the chat. Let's go. Let me see if I can move this mic out the way. All right, let me see. That's a repo from last month. Yep, GM Financial. Let me see if I got any more in here. Here's another one. Yeah, more repos. So yeah, you can get those repos removed. What's your FICO scores? My FICO score fluctuates